Hey YouTube, today is the day I'm going to do a review on my iPhone 8 Plus. I got the red, the product red. It just came today. I thought I would share with you all and do an unboxing. On this side is my number and all that, so we don't have to do all that. We can just take the plastic off. And it's pretty heavy. It's pretty heavy. Pretty heavy box. So it's gonna be a quick review, guys. Quick review. Alright. There's a little reading paperwork, sticker, and all that inside here. Let me see. This is the color of it. It's product red. They say the proceeds, well, it says in partnership with Red, Apple will contribute a portion of your iPhone purchase to the global fund to support HIV/AIDS programs and help deliver an AIDS-free generation. Learn more or donate at www.red.org. That's a pretty good cause. I need to find that cure because it's a lot of nasty. I ain't even going to go into that. But this here is the welcome literature. It's not focusing. Okay. It's the welcome literature. Here. Some more literature and stuff. I never knew what these were for. Like, put them on what? Like, I already have the MacBook. So, I don't need that. And I'll put that back in there. And here is the phone. The phone is glass. It's black, as you can see. And it's a really pretty bright red color. It's my grandma's. Rest in peace, grandma. It's my favorite. That's her favorite color, red, and it's very nice and shiny, or whatever. But yeah, let me see. Do I want to cut it on? Do I want to cut it on? I guess I'll try to cut it on. I'll cut it on and see what it looks like when I cut it on. My dog is all in the camera. That's him. He's my baby. He's cool. You can leave him in. I have to sync my other iPhone to this one, so I won't be doing that on camera. But yeah, I just wanted to let you all see me unbox my beautiful red Apple iPhone 8 Plus. And I hope everyone have a very, very, very nice day. It's very nice outside where I'm at. I'm gonna cut this back off. So yeah, that's how you cut it off. You have to slide. Be happy, be bright with you. And oh, I'm sorry. Hold on. Forgot the earpieces. We got the earpod things right here. The earphones. I don't know what happened, but my recording stopped. But I was showing you the headphones, and then there's the sync cord for the charger. But as I said before, that concludes the unboxing for my new iPhone. And I hope everyone has a great day. Be happy, be bright with you, and also be blessed. Until I see you all next time. Bye.